humans have a nature like making mistakes. It is not just intentionally or deliberately we make mistakes, but somehow like there are lots of activities, but sometimes I forget. So I accept my mistake and try to correct. By correcting those mistakes, I go ahead. So that is how I just
Unexpected,
like.
unpredictable, things just changed in a day, and we never
Mhm.
knew if we would go back to the old normal or not. How was the COVID
Mhm.
lockdown for you? Good evening, Mr. Rakesh. Very good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. How
How are
are you?
you? I'm good. Thank you so much. How are you?
I am also doing good. Thank you for asking.
How is
So
work? How is
yeah,
family?
everything going well. Everything is well. So what about you?
Thank you so much. It's all good. Thank you so much. Where are you from, Mr. Rakesh?
I am from Ahmedabad city in Gujarat.
What aspect of your mom's personality really inspires you and you would want to be like her? What aspect of your dad's personality really inspires you and you would want to be like him?
So in both case, like my mom or my dad, they are really hardworking personality. That's I like, and that's a quality and trait I want to adopt and want to adopt from him, from them. So hardworking personality I like in my parents.
And are you the kind of person who takes decisions with the heart? Are you the kind of person who takes decisions with the brain? Brain will say, Rakesh, only routine, everything by the rules. Heart will say, Mr. Rakesh, come on, let's have a quick nap, let's sleep, we'll do work tomorrow. You
Mm-hmm.
want to, yes, you want to relax, you can watch your web series, complete the web series, we can work tomorrow. Heart does not understand any rules, deadlines. Heart just wants to be free and happy. Brain wants to count the calories. Heart says eat your favorite Swedish, no problem, why count the calories? So are you
Mm-hmm.
the rules loving disciplined brain person or you're the free happy heart person?
I think for me, it sometimes it depends on my mood. As my mood says, as my brain says to me. So according to that, I work. So sometimes I like to be free because of work I sometimes feel tired, and that is why I like to be relaxed. So that is why I just like to be relaxed, and I think giving like rest to the brain is also important. So
Important.
sometimes, yeah, important. So that is why I just relax. I like to be relaxed and to be calm. But in most of the cases, because I work, so there I get lots of activities to do. So I just do, and because of that, I sometimes feel tired, and because of that, I also get hurdle because nowadays I just attend Clapingo session. I work on my communication skill and spoken English. I also want to improve my spoken English. So I do lots of work. I don't watch web series, but I do other. I watch videos on YouTube to improve my spoken English. So
Are you
sometimes,
working? Are you working or are you a student?
no, I have been working.
How are your
So
colleagues? Are they helpful? Are they cooperative? Are they supportive? Or they are like mind your own business and we mind our own business?
a few people are there, like in my colleague. Few people are there. They are like to be uh, indulging, means mingling with me. So yeah, but still few people are there. They just mind their own business. So yeah, I just be with them and also I talk to them. Uh,
How do you How do you handle groupism, majority, favoritism, partial? How do you handle
So
groupism, majority, favoritism,
yeah,
partiality at workplace?
are you getting my voice clearly? Can you hear me? Okay, thank you for. So, please repeat the question and one by one, just ask me one question and then I will answer and then we will
It's just
get to
one
the.
question.
Yeah, yeah,
How do
I can
you?
understand that, but let's first
Okay,
discuss about
in
the.
short, I'll ask. In short, I'll ask. No problem. In
Yeah,
short, I'll
yeah,
ask.
in short.
How do you
So that
handle
it
politics?
will be, yeah, it will be
There's
like
a
easy
network
for me to
breakdown.
reply. Yeah, yeah.
How do you handle politics? People try to form groups, people try to form majority. There is partiality, there is favoritism everywhere. It starts from families, it is there in the neighborhood. You go to any social
Hmm.
function in your relative circle, it's full of all this. But yes, how do you handle it at
Mm-hmm.
workplace?
Yeah, it. I think it is everywhere. Politics is everywhere. Either I talk about job or the workplace or anywhere. Some people are there. They are few people are there. They are just favorite of our boss, and they just like to talk with them. So yeah, at my place is also like the similar condition is there. But I don't think about that seriously because it is everywhere, and I have been working. It has been 6 years in my professional career, so I can understand that. So that I mind in my own business. So I just work whatever activities I get there, just I do. And if I need any clarity on any work, so I just try to be clear and I discuss about that. So it happens with me as well. So I just try to be calm there. And if there is any misunderstanding there, so I just talk about that to my boss. I tell him that it is like that. So please help me with that. So it helps me. Although my boss is has a calm nature and he is a very good personality. So I just tell him whatever problem I face at my workplace. So I discuss it with him, and I really get the solution.
Um, Different people, different psychological skills, and
Mm,
different ways of taking benefit. Some people
mm,
are good at flattery, sweet words, sugar coated words, chaploosi. Some
mm, mm,
people, some people are manipulators. They fire the gun from another person's shoulder. Some people try to control, criticize, complain all the time, and they make us feel as if we can't work. So, yes, are you able to identify these kind of people at your workplace?
Yes, few people are there, as I discussed here. As I told you about that, few people are also still there at my workplace. So as you told me about they try to fire at different shoulder, and they put their work on the others shoulder, and they don't want to do, and they just talk about different kind of things like politics and all those things at a workplace. So I don't means indulge in that thing. I don't want to be a part of that, so that I can feel relaxed. Sometimes I also get that problem that people are discussing about that at the backside of myself. So they talk about many things.
Backbiting, backstabbing,
Bad.
backbiting, backstabbing,
Hmm. So they do backbiting, or
backbiting. Huh?
yeah, they do backbiting. Yeah. So that
They yes.
they do it, and sometimes even I get that problem. But what I think, instead of changing them, I should change myself. If there is
Yes.
a mistake from my side, I try to change myself because I think life is about like learning from the mistake. What I think. So whatever mistake, still I think if like I make mistakes, so I try to correct those mistakes because humans have a nature like making mistakes. It is not just intentionally or deliberately we make mistakes, but somehow like there are lots of activities, but sometimes I forget. So I accept my mistake and try to correct. By correcting those mistakes, I go ahead. So that is how I just tackle the situation.
And how do you spend your me time, alone time? How does your me time, alone time look like? When you're all by yourself and you're done with the duties, the tasks of the day, and you are all free now, and what do you like to think, what do you like to rethink, what do you like to plan? Yes, so how does your me time, alone time look like?
In free time, looks like I try to be calm. I try to be to be indulging. I try to be indulging myself with the with myself. Like I just talk to myself and I write diary. So whatever activities I do, I just write it down in my notepad. So that is how I just feel relaxed. It gives relaxation. And apart from that, I also listen audiobook. I have taken subscription on Google. That is one app. So I just listen audiobook. In that application, there is a we get summary of few books. So I just get idea from different books because it is about summary of different books. So it also gives relaxation. It calms my mind. So I just feel relaxed. And apart from that, I also like to listening to music. So I listen and uh, sleeping is also important. So take nap. I take nap after completing my work. So I take nap of 1 to 2 hours. Yeah.
um how was the COVID lockdown for you? Unexpected,
So like
unpredictable, things just changed in a day, and we never
mhm,
knew if we would go back to the old normal or not. How was the COVID
mhm.
lockdown for you?
COVID lockdown, I think, gave me lots of opportunity because uh, even though uh, I was doing job, so still I am doing job. So I was in different organization. So once in a week I had to go there because it was a lockdown, but still like we got permission of 2 hours. So uh, they means day by day we had to go for 2 hours because it was too important. So I was throughout day I was at home, so I learned so many things. I started my journey of learning spoken English. So I practiced a lot upon myself to improve my spoken English. So that was during lockdown period. Yeah, lockdown period was so crucial for me. Actually understood myself how I can be better version of myself or mine. So I totally understood, and nowadays I have been working to improve myself. And I was pursuing one course. It was related to my field, so I also completed in 2021. So still I'm looking for the better opportunity. But overall, I can say it was a great period, crucial period for me. Yes.
Any
So you
are
can
you
also
a
give your
giver?
opinion. You can also give your opinion. What?
Very
how
nice
was
to
your
meet you. Very nice to meet you. God's grace be there. You're a very nice man. And may Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Durga sit in your heart.